Deleting your Trello account is a straightforward process, but it's important to remember that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Here's how to delete your Trello account. Log into Trello. Go to Trello.com and log into your account with your credentials. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the drop-down menu. Select settings from the list. Navigate to account deactivation. In the settings menu, scroll down to the section labeled account. You will see an option that says deactivate account. Click on this option. Confirm deactivation. Trello will ask you to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. You may be prompted to explain why you're leaving, though this step is optional. Click deactivate to proceed. Final confirmation. You will receive a final confirmation prompt. Once you confirm, your account will be deactivated and deleted after 30 days. During this time, you can still log in if you change your mind, but after 30 days, the account will be permanently deleted.